Namaste. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw a flute, bansuri and peacock's feather morpunk in Madhubani art style. So let's start. So material needed for this is a scale, tissue, black color paint, eraser, pencil, 000 brushes and compass and water to wash the brushes. I always keep a bud in case if color spills, then I clean with this. I will also use this waterproof Staedtler's pigment liner. It's 0.8, any value will work because basic drawing we'll do with this and then we will paint with the black color acrylic paint. As we always do, we will leave 1 centimeter for framing. So here I'm drawing 1 centimeter line for framing. So this is a hardboard and on which I have left 1 centimeter on all the sides. Now in Madhubani painting, border is compulsory. So we will have a simple border, not very elaborate border. So again we can do one thing, we can leave another 1 centimeter and we can have a simple border. Madhubani borders are different from Kalamkari, Warli, Sora borders. Next thing is, Madhubani should have double line everywhere. That's compulsory. So, we will have double line everywhere. Here, we'll draw the double line, maybe 1 millimeter or so. Now, we are taking a border design which is very simple one, but to be on safer side, I will mark distances so that my marking is correct and all the design will be within the limit. So please mark 1 centimeter. Those who are very good, they have free hand, they can do, but I prefer to mark. We have learned lots and lots of borders in Madhubani. We have learned almost 40-50 borders in Madhubani. So some in classes, there are some available in videos. So you can have a look and you can select any border. Now I'm going to draw the border in pen so that you all can see. I'm drawing today a very simple border, not difficult one. And afterwards we will put color on this. This is a very popular Madhubani border. Madhubani is one of the oldest art form of India. It started when Raja Janak ordered the ladies of his kingdom to decorate the Janakpuri before Sita Ji's Barat came. So ladies had local resources, like the most common resource was coal. So they took the coal, they used the burned sticks, they drew the lines, they used natural colors to fill the patterns, and it was all their imagination. Whatever they imagined, they drew that thing. So Madhubani patterns are very old, and present day Nepal border with Bihar is the origin of Madhubani. It is believed that Sora is oldest art form of folk India. They just say, some people say Gond, some people say Sora, and then Madhubani. So roughly 10,000 year old, 5 to 10,000 year old art form. ये हमारा एक साइड का बॉर्डर रेडी है. अब मैं साइड बदलूंगी ताकि ये हमारा हाथ ना लगे और ये साइड गंदी ना हो जाए हमसे. ठीक है, तो अब जो बीच की जगह बची है उसमें रफली मैं करीब लेट्स से 6 इंच 6 इंचेस का 5 और 6 इंचेस की एक लाइन बनाती हूँ. बांसुरी थोड़ी टेढ़ी सी अच्छी लगती है, तो मैं ये 12 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन बना रही हूँ. बहुत हल्की बना रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि ये फिर डार्क हो जाएगा तो सबको दिखेगा नहीं. वो हटाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। फिर इसको करीब करीब आप 1.5 सेंटीमीटर चौड़ा कर दीजिए। तो पैरेलल लाइन बना लीजिए, इसको पुल कर लीजिए नीचे, और बेटर होगा हम एक दो जगह और मार्क कर लें ताकि अब हम श्योर हैं कि हमारी फ्लूट की थिकनेस सेम है। ओके, ये हमारा बना फ्लूट। अब फ्लूट में हम यहाँ पर ये हमने यहाँ बना दिया, और सेम चीज हम यहाँ कर्व बना रहे हैं। In the center of the flute, I'll show this is here around 15, so 5, 6, 7.5 roughly. I'll show a small circle. So we have shown the circles. Remember, this is Madhubani, so everything has to be double. Now we will show some design here, and we will show another design here. Okay, so this is our basic drawing, and now we are going to start the painting. Now remember, we will have design here also, but I am not drawing right now here because with my hand pencil marks will become very dirty. So I am going to complete the top parts painting, and then I will start the lower part. Okay, so let's start. This is a 000 number brush. We have to take very less paint, very less. Okay, and मधुबनी में अल्टरनेट लोटस में कलर देते हैं, और इसमें हम तिरछी कचनी देंगे। तो ये हमारी कैरी बन गई। तो पिकॉक फेदर बनाने के लिए हमको सबसे पहले हम एक बेस लाइन देंगे। नॉर्मली बांसुरी ये सब चीजें कृष्ण जी से कनेक्टेड हैं, और पिकॉक की बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है इंडियन माइथोलॉजी में और इंडियन कल्चर में। पिकॉक की इम्पोर्टेंस और कल्चर्स में भी है। वर्ल्ड में जितने बड़े बड़े राजाओं के, किंग्स के थ्रोन बनते हैं, उनमें पिकॉक दिखाते थे, और पिकॉक के संग lots of jewels were embedded in the peacock. In Indian mythology, peacock is always there with God Kartikeya. Even the goddess of learning, Saraswati ji, has peacock in the drawing. We believe that Lakshmi ji also has peacock, and it brings prosperity to family. ये हमारा अपर पार्ट हो गया है। नाउ आई गो टू सेंटर पार्ट। सेंटर में हम एक अष्टदल फ्लावर बनाएंगे। What do we mean by अष्टदल flower? A flower which has 8 petals. It has lots of importance in Madhubani art, and in Madhubani it is called Ashtadal flower. Dal means petal and Asht means 8. Around the flute also we have to give double line, or we can give this design. Now we'll make the flute. Our upper part is ready, and now we'll draw the lower part. To draw the lower part, I'm going to take help of my protector. This is the hanging in the flute. Lotus is very auspicious in our mythology, and especially in Madhubani, lotus is drawn at many places, and there are lots of styles to draw the lotus. I have posted some videos only about how to paint the lotus in Madhubani art style. I request you to see the video and you can change the style. I'm drawing the simple one here, but you can always draw a difficult one, an elaborate design. With this, our painting is ready. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the news about my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Dhanyavad. Namaste.